Hey everyone, today we're making Jamaican Easter bun. No yeast, just vibes. And listen, this is actually my first time trying this version, but we're gonna make it do what it do. Starting on the stove, we have Dragon Stout, butter, molasses, honey. Low heat, let everything melt together nice and easy. You don't want it boiling, just warming through so that all the flavor comes together. While that's cooling, grab a bowl, go in with your flour, baking powder, brown sugar, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, and some cardamom. You know I have to give it that quick East African mix. Give that a mix, yes, nothing fancy. Then you're gonna go back to the stout mixture. It should be warm by now. Crack your egg in a bowl and wait. Listen, hear me out. We're taking out that white stringy thing from the egg. Don't ask me why, we just do it. It's a rite of passage at this point. Add your vanilla and some browning for color. Whisk everything together until smooth. And you're going to add your fruits in here. If your fruits are dried or if you didn't soak them, you can add them in the liquid because you want them to plump up a little bit. Now pour your wet ingredients into your dry and take your time here. Don't over mix the batter. We want this soft, thick, and rich. If it's looking stiff, just relax, it will come together. Look at that batter, dark, glossy, already looking like a bun. In a greased loaf pan, you're going to pour it in and smooth out the top. Add your cherries on top to make a nice little presentation. And just like that, it's going in the oven. Once that gets out of the oven, while it's hot, you're going to go in with that honey glaze. Don't be shy, let it soak in and let it shine. And then we're going to let it cool just a little. And I'm not even gonna lie, this is my first time making it like this, but the texture, soft, the flavor is rich, and it's spiced just right. Slice it up, and you already know it's bun and cheese season. This came out soft, delicious, and yeah, we did that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.